Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In today's video lecture, I shall be telling you about the use of had. Let me first introduce you with the word had. Had is the past participle form of the verb has. In the verb chart, you would have studied that the first form of verb is known as present. The second form of verb is called to be past. And the third form of the verb is known as the past participle. And you know that has and have are the forms of verbs. Has and have are sometimes used as the auxiliary verbs also. But if they are used as the forms of the verbs, their second form of verb is had, and the third form of the verb is had. Let me now tell you about the use of had. Had is used in the past tense with all the pronouns. For example, I had a headache. This sentence is written in the past tense and I have used had in it. See the second example. She had her cap on. They had no guest at home. In these sentences, I have used had in order to show that these sentences are written in past tense. Here is another use of had. And the rule is that had is also used in the past perfect tense as an auxiliary or helping verb. See the example. The baby had slept soundly. In this sentence, had has been used as the auxiliary verb and slept here is the third form of the verb. The auxiliary verb as well as the third form of the verb helps you understand that this sentence is written in past perfect tense. Here is the second example. The window pane had not broken. Had and broken helps you understand that this sentence is written in past perfect tense. Not here has been added in order to show that this sentence is written in its negative form. Here is the third sentence, which is the interrogative sentence. Had you applied for the job? Thank you for watching. See you with another video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.